Hi guys, and in this video we're going to be looking at a new accessory that was introduced in the 1.3 update, and that accessory is the Celestial Shell. The Celestial Shell combines the Celestial Stone, the Moon Charm, and the Neptune Shell into a single accessory that combines all of their effects. The Neptune Shell is from the monster called the Creature from the Deep during the solar eclipse. The Moon Charm is a rare drop from werewolves. And the Celestial Stone is a combination between the Sun and Moonstone, the Moonstone being from vampires, and the Sunstone being from Golem. So let's go over to a Tinkerer's workshop, and we'll craft the Moon Shell, using the Moon Charm and the Neptune Shell, and then we can craft the Moon Shell with the Celestial Stone to make the Celestial Shell. Now I will put all of the buffs on the screen right now so you can see what it does, but let's go take a look at the Moon Shell effect. So with the Celestial Shell, when you are in water, you turn into a merfolk, which means that you can walk like you're above water, you can swim, and you can breathe underwater as well. So water is no longer a threat and you can maneuver a lot faster. And when it's nighttime, you turn into a werewolf, which gives you a buff. And I will put the buff on the screen right now so you can see what happens when you turn into a werewolf. But basically when it's night, you will be a werewolf. It's pretty interesting and it's a nice little buff. The Celestial Shell is a very powerful accessory and many people use it in their ultimate loadouts because of the benefits it provides. Once again, here are the benefits on the screen. A pretty awesome accessory. So thank you for watching guys. Be sure to leave a like and favourite if this video was useful to you guys, and check out my other videos. Thank you for watching.